Hi friends, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. Sorry that I could not post both the files together because I had some storage problem and also the internet problem. So I had to take a break, and so now we will be starting with pile green. Okay, whoever chose pile green, this reading will be for you. So as I told in the pile one, so I'm doing something different today. I'm going to do different spread today. So let's see, let's hope like all of you like it. Please comment if you like this kind of reading, then so that I can continue, or I can do something different. Okay, so let's start with pile number 2. Whoever chose green seashell, this reading is for you. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Raphael, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. What is happening in their life? What will be their next action? Whoever chose pile number green, so what is their person's current feelings, true feelings, and their next action? What is their person's true feelings? What are their current feelings or true feelings, and what will be their next action? Please give us some clarity, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity, please give us some guidance. Okay, this will be your outcome card. In the center it will be outcome card, and we will get one guidance card also. One guidance card please, angels. One guidance card please, angels. One guidance card, one guidance card or advice card, one guidance or advice card, one guidance card or advice card. Then we will take your person's messages also. We'll take your person's messages also. Okay, so we will read this later because these are the outcome and the advice card or guidance card. So let's see. I think I missed one message. Let's take one message. I think I missed one. Okay, so let's start. Pile number 2, your reading we will see. Okay, so first card we will see the message for you. I know I messed up everything. So this person already know that he has done something wrong with you and he messed up everything. So now this person is regretting. Okay, so first card is the Hierophant. So I feel you are dealing with a Taurus person. So this person might be a very intellectual person. There might be some age difference also for you. Maybe this person is older to you. Some age difference I can see. And this person is a very powerful position, like people will come to him for advices. He's kind of a pope. Okay, so this person is very spiritual and intellectual, also very knowledgeable person, and he's in a very higher authority position. This person is having a very good job where people work under him and people respect him a lot. He is maybe sometimes he is a very well known person in the society or respectable person in the society. People respect him, admire him. So that kind of a person. And Hierophant card also is a marriage card. So this person, all the time, in whichever spread the Hierophant comes, the person is very loyal, trustworthy. Earth signs are, in general, they are very loyal and trustworthy. So Taurus means it is a earth sign, and this person is very loyal, and this person wants a long-term commitment with you, and possible marriage. This situation involves marriage. So this person definitely want to have a commitment and long-term relationship or a marriage with you. Okay. Then let's see second one. I love you unconditionally. This person is saying, I love you unconditionally. These are their true feelings. Okay. King of Cups. Okay, he is the king, and he's full of emotions and lot of love towards you, but at the same time he's very powerful. He's sitting on the throne, and he's a very loving person, loving, caring, nurturing. He's obviously a king, but he thinks from his heart. Okay, instead of thinking from mind, this person is very caring, very what do you say, sensitive, emotional. Even though kings are very rough and tough, or sometimes they may be rude or harsh or something, but the King of Cups is very, very caring person, and very lot of emotions, lot of feelings. Maybe this person, I feel that this person, sometimes he or she must have cried for you because they are missing you very much, and this person is waiting for you, sitting on the throne. And this person is currently waiting actually for the right time to approach you, come towards you. Okay, so King is there, Hierophant is there. Very positive reading, friends. Wishing you were with me right now. As I told you, this person is missing you a lot, and this person is saying, wishing you were with me right now. So every moment he is missing you. Let's see the card. The Devil. Okay, so here I can see that this person, maybe this person is not coming towards you because of he is having maybe some addictions, maybe some alcohol, drug or something like that, and this person is very obsessed towards you. Okay, this person always looking at your photos or chats or messages, and stalking you in the social media, stalking you in WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any possible social media. Okay, so this person is very obsessively thinking about you 24/7. This person is thinking about you only. He's when before sleeping or when he's awake also, this person is obsessively thinking, and he feels like you both are chained together and you cannot be separated. So that kind of a feeling this person is having, or you also might be having this kind of a feeling towards this person. So your love is mutual, not one-sided, and you both are obsessively thinking about each other, like not able to sleep at night, obsessively what this person is doing right now while eating, sleeping, walking, anything, whatever you are doing, 24/7 you are thinking about this person. Maybe most possibly you are in on his mind, and coming in dreams also, and the same thing might happen to you also. This person might be coming in your dreams very frequently. So you both are missing each other, but I can't understand why you are away from each other, why you are separated. Maybe we'll see. I mean, why you both are separated, I can't see any reason for being separated, but this devil energy shows that this person is obsessively thinking and he wants you at any cost. Okay, then let's see. I didn't know how to fix this. So already this person told he messed up, and now he don't know how to fix things. Maybe because of his addictions and bad habits, you both had a fight and separated. Because the addictions can be anything, any alcohol, drugs, sex, anything it can be. So maybe you came to know about this all these habits and all, then you got separated. That's all I can see here, nothing else apart from that. The Moon. Okay, so slowly things are coming now. So this person might have kept many things hidden. Okay, sometimes King of Cups also says that he is already married. Okay, so for some people this age gap is there, and also this person might be keeping secrets from you. Maybe there are many secrets. So you might be dealing with, I forgot to tell you, you might be dealing with Capricorn, you might be dealing with Pisces, you might be dealing with Taurus, you might be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so moon card means it's especially a mother card. Okay, maybe this person is having some problems with mother. So maybe his mother is not agreeing for the marriage, or mother is very controlling or commanding. So this person is not telling you all these things. He's keeping secrets, deception. So maybe this person is having another person in his life. He might be already married and he didn't tell you, and finally you came to know, and after that you both got separated. Okay, so moon means it is a deception, secrets. Okay, all even mother card also. Then let's see what is the next card. It was my fault, but I blamed you. Okay, so it was clearly it is his fault, but he blamed you. Okay, so that is the reason this person is repenting. Lot of guilt I can see. Okay, the Tower moment. So the Tower moment happened because of all these things. Okay, all the addictions, then secrets, then this already third party situation. So this Tower moment happened between you, so which was unexpected, and you both were very shocked, and you both were not able to cope up from that. Maybe some people, I can see that there might be some health issue also because of this sudden breakup. Okay, unexpected breakup actually. This is, you both see, you can see in this picture, you both are falling down from the tower. It is unexpected, and both of you were shocked, and you don't know what to do, you don't know how to fix this thing. So you both are into shock, and right now also you are like coping up slowly. You are coping up from this heartbreak and this trauma. You both are not feeling well now, feeling very sad, and some people in some cases they are falling sick also because of this. Okay, let's see the next card. You are my world. Okay, this person sees you as his world. So this person loves you unconditionally, because King of Cups also is there. So definitely this person loves you, but because of all these things, addiction, secrets, the third party, so you are fed up, and this Tower moment happened. Okay, so this is Six of Cups. So again love card. So this person, definitely you know this person already from childhood. He might be your childhood friend, or this is definitely a past person. This is not a new person for you. So definitely this person, you know this person already. So you have friendship before than direct love. Okay, first you were good friends, then you have become a you started getting feelings towards each other. So then after that all these things happened. Okay, so this person again wants that love towards you. Again he wants to share the cup of love with you. So again he want to have that happy times with you. At least he wants you to be as a friend at least, but he wants you in his life. And final thing is he wants marriage actually. So he want long term commitment, long term marriage relationship. Okay, so let's see the outcome now. Don't be angry at me. So after all these things, now he's regretting and requesting you, begging you, like, don't be, please don't be angry at me, because so many things he has done, which is you are fed up, and you left him. I can see some blockages also. So somebody blocked someone here. For some people, there is blockage in social media because this person is talking obsessively, devil energy. So some people also blocked this person. So this person want to be again a friend to you. Okay, then let's see, this is the outcome. King of Wands. Okay, this person definitely wants to have a victory in this, like a king conquering. Okay, conquering on the this connection. So this person definitely wants to have a serious commitment, and he wants a victory actually. So king is always he wants victory. So this person definitely wants to have a victory with you, and he will approach you actually. He's very passionate towards you. Wants means it is attraction, sexual feelings, and this person is lot of attraction towards you. This person is not able to resist himself, and this person want to come towards you, and definitely he will approach you soon, but he is little afraid, as the messages also shows up. So this person is little bit afraid. So you can see two kings are here, then one pope is there. So, for some of you, you might be dealing with two people. Okay, there might be some past person also, there might be some new person also. So you might be dealing both of them, and in near future one of them will offer you the stable offer. Okay, it might be a long term relationship or a marriage, because Taurus card is there, this Hierophant is there. So the both kings love you so much, and one is very much passionate towards you, and another one has a lot of emotions towards you. So now you have a choice. Okay, you can choose any one of them, but it is entirely up to you. So outcome will be this King of Wands, whoever is in Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so this person is one. Another person might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You are dealing with two people. Okay, and also the Hierophant means this person might be, one of them might be little older to you. Whoever is older to you, that person wants to have a commitment with you, and he wants to have a marriage with you. Okay, let me know whether this is resonating with you or not. For some of you, definitely it will resonate, and two kings are in the same reading, and also the Hierophant. So this is a very very powerful and strong reading with lot of major arcanas. Okay, so definitely this reading will resonate with many of you people. So this is a star. Okay, the guidance is a star card. Star is also like social media, stalking, hope. Okay, then this person is definitely a long distance. I can see that this person is not near to you, and I can also see you both are in right now, if you are not talking, no communication, but earlier also you both met online. You both were talking over the phone or a text or Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Okay, there is no direct communication. Okay, for a long time. Okay, you both didn't meet each other directly for a long time, and this also shows that social media stalking. Maybe one of you or both of you are right now stalking each other, and you are getting satisfied. Okay, that person is online, that means that person is okay. Okay, that person is not what do you say, he's okay, like he's doing okay. So that kind of a relief, because both of you love each other. So you are stalking actually to know whereabouts of that person, because some people are not in communication, so they want to know how is the other person, because this love, care is coming towards that other person. So you both are stalking each other. Both of you are having a lot of love towards each other. Their next action will be, definitely they will express their love towards you, and they will give you a stable offer. So that is what I have for you. Pile number 2, this green pile. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I can see that many people are viewing my reading, but nobody is subscribing to my channel. So I'm feeling very sad about that. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. That's all I have for you. See you in the next reading. Until then, bye.